This label printer shames all others. Brother PT-P950NW is kinda scary good. Feeling stuck in a labeling nightmare? Ever waste an hour slapping half-baked stickers on gear only for them to peel off like dollar store decals? Yeah, we've all been there, frustrated, overwhelmed, juggling a billion tools just to print one label that actually sticks. Whether you're managing inventory, wiring chaos, or organizing your workshop from hell, you've probably thought, there's got to be a better way. Spoiler alert, there is. But most printers out there? Trash tier. They smudge, lag, or disconnect when you need them most. It's a vibe killer. Enter the labeling solution that low-key changes everything. The problem? It's bigger than just bad labels. It's the soul-crushing deadlines, missed compliance checks, unreadable barcodes, and, stress dreams about shipping mix-ups. It's burnout from manually fixing what your printer should have gotten right the first time. Every delay is a lost sale. Every unread label, a safety hazard. You don't just want clarity, you need command. If your current setup feels more like a sabotage than a system, you're not crazy. You're just using the wrong gear. And it's time to break that toxic relationship. This isn't about labels, it's about control. Meet the Brother PT-P950NW, the label boss you didn't know you needed. This beast is not just good, it's industrial strength sorcery. It prints ultra-durable, laminated labels up to 36 mm wide at a crispy 360 dpi, and cuts them like a samurai with its automatic dual blade. Wi-Fi, USB, Ethernet, and even Bluetooth? Check. PC, Mac, tablet, or phone? Check. It's like the Swiss Army knife of printers, only faster, smarter, and way more loyal. Think military-grade durability with mobile swagger. This is plug, print, peace out. You're done in minutes. No drama. No downtime. Just results. Why settle for meh when you could have elite? With the PT-P950NW, you'll fly through labeling jobs with effortless swagger. Simplify workflows, boost output, and never second-guess a scan again. The labels survive water, chemicals, UV, heck, probably the apocalypse. You get pro-level software, P-Touch Editor 5, and optional upgrades like battery packs and touch panels to take your game even further. Want to stop fighting your tools and start dominating your day? Scroll down, smash that Learn More button, and unlock the productivity you've been begging for. Real ones already made the switch, are you next? Don't sleep on this. The Brother PT-P950NW is selling fast for a reason. Thousands of pros trust it for critical jobs that can't afford to fail. Imagine walking into the shop, printing flawless labels from your phone, and walking out like a legend. You deserve that. So ditch the label clowns and step into the big leagues. Hit that link, grab yours before it's gone, and give your future self a fist bump. This isn't just a printer, it's a flex. Let's get to work.